In today's video, I am going to teach you how to modify a trade on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone Trader platform. Once you are inside the platform, go to the Trade tab located at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can manage your active trading activity and review any open positions. After opening the Trade tab, select the Positions section. Here you will see a list of all your current open trades. Take a moment to find the specific trade you want to modify. Make sure you choose the correct position before making any changes. When you have found the trade, right-click on that position and select Modify Position from the menu. On some versions of the platform, you may also see an edit icon that looks like a pencil. If that option is available, you can click it instead to open the same modification window. Next, update the stop loss and take profit values based on the changes you want to make. Enter the new levels carefully and double-check the numbers before moving forward. These settings are important because they control where your trade may close automatically for risk management or profit target purposes. Once you have entered the new values, review the updated trade settings on the screen. Confirm that everything looks correct, including the position you selected and the new stop loss and take profit levels. Taking a few extra seconds here can help you avoid mistakes. After reviewing the details, click Modify to save your changes. The platform will then process the request. This usually only takes a moment, so wait for the update to complete before doing anything else. When the modification has gone through, return to the position and check the updated information. You should now see the new stop loss and take profit settings displayed on that trade. This is how you confirm that the changes were successfully applied. It is a good idea to verify everything one final time. Look at the trade details and make sure the updated values match what you intended to set. If they do, then the modification is complete and your trade has been updated successfully. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.